Right? Good morning students. Now previous section we have seen, right? Sequential circuit will be given. We have to convert into what here? State diagram. Now in this session we are going to convert this state diagram into sequential circuit, right? So quite opposite. So sequential circuit into state diagram, previous session. Now state diagram into sequential circuit. So directly they have given here state diagram, right? So present state, next state, as well as the input value they have given. Input value what they have given? X value, right? So now when it is moving to present state to the next state, right? So what is the X value, right? They have given the values here. Now using this first step, right? So you have to generate the state table, right? First step, simple state table again here. So I have given state table. So state table I told it includes what here? Present state, input value, as well as the next state here, right? Now present state and input, how many inputs I have? 3 inputs. So 3 inputs again 8 combination, or from the diagram only you can generate the values here, right? So first state is what? 0 0, and it is coming to same state, right? So 0 0, it is coming to what here? Same state. At that time what is the value of X they have given? X value is 0. So here I have given what here? 0. Now second one is, so 0 0, right? So from this diagram 0 0 is coming to where? 0 1. So next state is what here? 0 0 is coming to the next state as a 0 1. At that time X value is given what here? 1. So I have given here 1. Now next state is what? 0 1. Present state is 0 1. So 0 1. Again it is moving to what here? Same state. That is nothing but what? 0 1. At that time X value is what here? 0. So I have given what here? X value 0. Now 0 1 2. When it is moving to next state, X value is what here? 1. 0 1. When X value is 1, what is the next state here? 1 0. Right? Now present state is what? 1 0. When X value is 0, when X value is 0 means what? It is going to the same state. Then in that case the next state will be what here? 1 0. Now 1 0. Present state is here 1 0, and X value is what? 1 here. 1 0. When X value is 1, it is going to which state? Again next state. That is nothing but what here? 1 1. Right? Now present state is what? 1 1. And X value is what here? 0. 1 1. Present state is what here? 0. Then in that case it is going to what? The same state. That is nothing but what here? 1 1. Right? Next one is present state is 1 1. Right? And X value is equal to 1. Then it is moving to which state here? 0 0. Then it is moving to what here? Which state? That is 0 0. So simple state table we have generated. So you can convert a state diagram into sequential circuit by specifying what? Excitation table of the JK flip-flop. So this is the extra step when you are including, when you are comparing with the previous session. Previous session directly sequential circuit to the state table to the state diagram, right? When you are coming to the reverse process, state diagram to the state table, right? So one more table you are going to use, that is nothing but what? Using the excitation table of the JK flip-flop. So if you want to generate the sequential circuit, then in that case, so any flip-flop excitation table you are going to take. So most of the time JK flip-flop excitation table is taken. So already excitation table we have discussed last sessions. So excitation table of the JK flip-flop I have used. So for this I have to generate the new state table, right? Which include all the columns of the present, this state table only. So I am taking what here? ABX. Present state, AB, next state. Now I am using what? Excitation table of the JK flip-flop. In that case we have JKA, right? JB, KB. JA, KA and JB, KB. Now in this case, so the same values I will write down here, right? So what are the values here? So 0, 0, 0. First these values I will write. Right. Now I have to generate what here? These values. JA, KA, JB, KB. Now by making use of this excitation table, I am going to generate the values of JA, KA, JB, KB. So here only you have to be very careful. So how the values are going to be generated? If you check here first JA, KA values, right? So the transition, right? So when the flip-flop is moving from what? Present state to the next state here, right? So here JA, right? It is going to take the two input values A as well as present state input as well as what here? Next state input value, right? So JA will take what here? So JA, it is going to consider the A values of present A value and next state A value. JA represents what here? Present state A value and next state A value. So present state A value is what here? Present state A value is 0 and next state A value is what here? 0. Now you make use of this excitation table. 0 present state, Q of t is present state, Q of t plus 1 is what here? Next state. 0, 0. Then what is the value of J value? 0. Now the JA value is what here? 0 and KA value is what here? Don't care condition. So I am using what here? X. Right? Next one is again what here? JB, KB. So JB, KB. So JB is again JB. So here it is going to take the value of what here? Present state B value and next state B value. So present state B value is what here? 0 and next state B value is what here? 0. Again applying here, present state is 0, next state is 0. Then what is the JB value? 0 and KB value is what here? X. Right? So if you understand that first step, then only you can go to the next steps. Right? Next one is JA. Now A value is what here? JA is 0 and here it is also 0. 0, 0. Again 0, 0 is nothing but what? JA is also 0 and K is X. Second one B. B value is what here? 0, 1. If you check here JB, KB. Now 0. Present state B value is 0. Right? Next state B value is what here? 1. Now when you are going to 0, 1, 0, 1. What is the JB value here? 1 and KB value is what here? X. JB value is here 1 and KB value is X here. Third case. Now JA is 0. Again present state A value is 0. Next state A value is also 0. Again 0, 0 is nothing but what? 0, X. Right? Again present state B value. Present state B value is what here? 1. Next state B value is what here? 1. Now wherever 1 is there. So 1, 1. Then in that case JB is what here? X and KB is what here? 0. Next one. A value is 0 and here A value is what here? 1. 0, 1. 0, 1 means what? JA value is 1 and JB value is what? KA value is what here? X. Next one is what? JB, KB. So JB is here. Present state B value is 1. Next state B value is what here? 0. 1, 0. When it is coming to 1, 0. JB, KB is what here? JB is X and KB is 1. Next one. Present state A value is 1. Next state A value is 1. 1, 1 means what? X, 0. Right? Now present state B value is 0. Next state B value is 0. 0, 0 means what? JB is 0. KB is X. Next one. Present state A value is 1. Next state A value is what here? 1. 1, 1 means what here? X, 0. Present state B value is 0. Next state B value is 1. 0, 1. 0, 1. Now what is the value of JB, KB? 1, X. Right? Next one. Present state A value is 1. Next state A value is what here? 1. 1, 1 means what you are getting here? X, 0. Next. Present state B value is 1. Next state B value is what here? 1. 1, 1. Again what you are getting here? X, 0. Last one. Present state A value is 1. Next state A value is 0. 1, 0. What is the value? X, 1. Right? And present state B value is 1. Next state B value is 0. 1, 0. Now what is the value here? X, 1. Right? So like this we are going to generate the state table, right, including the excitation table of the JK flip-flop, right, generating the values of JA, KA and JB, KB. Now using this we are going to plot which sequential circuit. So how the sequential circuit is going to be generated? So you have to check, right, this JA, KA, JB, KB values wherever the output is generated as a 1. Now in this case, see here 1 is there, now here 1 is there, right, same column here 1, now here it is 1 and here it is 1 as well as here 1, right. So now in this case, so how many inputs we have? 3 inputs, A, B, X, right, wherever 1 is generated, right, wherever 1 is generated you have to make use of the Karnaugh map here, right. So here I will make use of, so how many inputs I am using here? A bar, A, right, A, B, X, so B bar, X bar, right, B bar, X, B, X and B, X bar. So for first column, JA column, for first column what I am taking? JA column. Now JA column, here you have 1, right. So in this case, wherever 1 is there, right. So where we have here? A bar, B, X, A bar, B, X. Here the 1 is going to be generated and right, wherever don't care condition is there. So where you have don't care condition? A, B bar, C bar. B, A, B bar, X bar, don't care condition. Next one is what here? A, B bar, X, A, B bar, X, don't care condition. Next, A, B, X bar, A, B, X bar, here don't care condition. Now here like this, A, B, C, A, B, X, right. So if you check here, right, so these two you can make it as what here? Pair. Then in that case JA is equal to, what will get here? JA is equal to A. Now JA is equal to A bar will be cancelled. What will get here? BX, right. So JA is equal to what here? BX. So first expression I got. Next one you have second expression. So for the KA column, second one is what here? KA column. So again same like this only. A bar, A, B bar, X bar, B bar, X, B, X, B, X bar. Now wherever 1 you got, right, KA column, where you got 1? Only at one place, that is ABX. ABX you got 1 here, right. So now where you have X's, right, so KA you have these 4 places you have X's, that is A bar, B bar, X bar, A bar, B bar, X bar, X. Second one, A bar, B bar, X, A bar, B bar, X, again X, right. Third one, A bar, B, X, X bar, A bar, B, X bar. Next one, this one. Next you have here X only, see, A bar, B, X, A bar, B, X, right. Again here what you are getting? 1 pair. So now what will be the KB value? KB is equal to A bar cancel, again you are getting what here? BX. JA is equal to BX and KA is also is equal to what here? BX. Now JB, KB you have to do. Now JB here, JB, right, A bar, A, B bar, X bar, B bar, X, BX, B, X bar, right. So now in this case KB, right, so JB where 1 is there here, that is A bar, B bar, X, A bar, B bar, X. Now here you have 1. Next one is what? Where you are getting A, B bar, X, A, B bar, X, A, B bar, X. Here you are getting 1 here. So where you have now X's? In 4 places you have X. So here A bar, B, X bar, A bar, B, X bar, X you have, right. Next one is A bar Bx, A bar Bx, again x you have. Next one AB x bar, AB x bar, right? Next one is ABX, here you have, right? So here you can make it as a quad. Can make it as what here? Quad. These two will get cancelled. B bar B get cancelled. So JB is equal to x and KB is equal to x only. You will get what here? JB is equal to x and KB is equal to x. So now I am generating what here? Sequential circuit, right? So sequential circuit, if you check, external input x I have taken. So 2 flip-flops, JK flip-flops, JA. JA is equal to what you will get here? BX. So B I have taken here, X input, BX, which is given to what here? JA. Now KA. KA is equal to what again? BX only. This BX only I have given as an input. Now JB is equal to what? X. X is given as input to what here? JB, right? And KB is equal to what again? X here. So like this you are going to generate what here? Sequential circuit. So you are converting a given state diagram into sequential circuit by making use of what here? Excitation table of JK flip-flop. Thank you.